In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with information. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and like we're falling behind on our reading lists. What if there was a way to consume information more efficiently, without sacrificing comprehension? Enter Speechify, an app that transforms any digital text into spoken audio. Imagine listening to your favorite books, articles, or emails while commuting, exercising, or doing chores. Speechify makes this possible, freeing up your valuable time and allowing you to read more than ever before. But it's not just about convenience. Speechify can also be a game changer for individuals with learning differences like dyslexia or ADHD, making reading more accessible and enjoyable. Whether you're a busy professional, a student struggling to keep up with assignments, or simply someone who wants to get more out of their day, Speechify offers a powerful solution. It's like having a personal narrator in your pocket, ready to read to you whenever and wherever you are. Speechify is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are new to text-to-speech technology. The app features a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to get started right away. Simply upload any digital text, choose your preferred voice and playback speed, and you're ready to listen. One of the most appealing aspects of Speechify for beginners is its simplicity. You don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate the app or customize your listening experience. The controls are straightforward and self-explanatory, allowing you to adjust the playback speed, pause, rewind, or fast-forward with ease. Speechify also seamlessly integrates with other popular apps and platforms, such as Kindle, Google Drive, and email. This means you can easily listen to your favorite ebooks, documents, and even emails without having to switch between different apps. While Speechify is incredibly easy to use for beginners, it also offers a range of advanced features for more experienced users who want to customize their listening experience even further. One such feature is the ability to choose from a wide variety of natural-sounding voices in different languages and accents. For those who prefer to have visual cues while listening, Speechify also offers a highlighting feature that synchronizes the audio with the text. This can be particularly helpful for students who want to improve their reading comprehension, or for anyone who wants to follow along with the audio more closely. Another powerful feature is the ability to create and save playlists of your favorite articles or documents. This allows you to easily pick up where you left off and listen to your content in a more organized and efficient manner. Experiment with playback speed. Don't be afraid to adjust the playback speed to find what works best for you. You can gradually increase the speed as you get more comfortable to consume content faster. Take advantage of playlists. Organize your reading materials by creating playlists for different topics or projects. This will help you stay organized and make it easier to find what you're looking for. Listen before bed. Turn your bedtime routine into a learning opportunity by listening to audiobooks or articles before you fall asleep. This can help you relax and retain information more effectively. Use it for proofreading. Listen to your own writing to catch errors you might have missed while reading silently. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your Speechify routine, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool and experience the transformative benefits of listening to your reading.